Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail inbox rules not working problems in 2026. So if your emails are not being sorted correctly, moved to folders, or filtered automatically, this guide will help you troubleshoot the issue step by step. First, sign into your Hotmail or Outlook account and open the Mail Settings section. Then go to Inbox Rules to review your current filters. Next, inspect each rule carefully. So, incorrect conditions or outdated email addresses can stop rules from working properly. Now review the rule order. Outlook processes rules from top to bottom, so one rule can sometimes block another. If you notice duplicate or outdated rules, delete them. Too many conflicting rules can create filtering problems inside your inbox. So send a test email after updating your rules. This helps confirm whether messages are moving into the correct folders automatically. If the rules still fail, clear your browser cache or try another browser or device. Outdated cookies or sync problems can sometimes affect Outlook settings, and that's how to fix Hotmail inbox rules not working problems in 2026. Once your rules are updated and organized correctly, your emails should sort automatically without issues. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone!